Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Flare Minds and आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए कुछ ऐसी टिप्स एंड एक ऐसा ऑयल लेके आई हूँ जो कि आपकी आईब्रोज और आपकी आईलैशेस को ग्रो करने में बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प करेगा एंड इसके रिजल्ट्स आप विद इन 1 वीक देख सकते हैं एंड ये गारंटेड है कि 1 वीक में इसका असर दिखेगा। तो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम लेट्स बिगिन। So, for the first remedy, you just need to have 2 things, and that is Vaseline and an earbud, or if you don't want to use earbud, you can use a mascara brush. So, what you need to do is, you just need to open Vaseline and take a little bit amount of it. And you have to apply it in the upper direction, like this. Same with eyebrows. Just little amount. So yes, I am done. Even you can use your hands because according to me properly आप hands के साथ ही इसको apply कर सकते हो और a mascara brush. See, like this. So this is the first thing and first remedy which can actually helps you to improve your eyelashes growth and thickness and even eyebrows. So for making eyelashes growth serum, you need to have Alovera Jell, Vaseline, castor oil, almond oil, coconut oil, and vitamin E capsules. Vitamin E capsules are easily available in the market. You can buy it from there. And now mix it well. And now use a normal mascara brush for applying it, and for the best results use it overnight. This is the best serum for the eyelashes growth. So this was all about how to grow your eyelashes and your eyebrows within a week. Hope you liked the video. If you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe it, like it and share it. And do tell me how's the video and आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी and आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो किस टॉपिक पे चाहिए, मुझे इसके बारे में जरूर अब मेरे कमेंट सेक्शन बॉक्स में बताइएगा। Okay guys, have a nice day, bye bye, thank you.